Cylinder 1 misfire, cylinder 2 misfire, cylinder 3 misfire, random multiple cylinder misfire detected, P0300. Then the first one, 325 knock sensor, 730 gear ratio. That's what I have. New one, old one. Hopefully this works. There you go. This fresh start. No problems. Obviously eBay. Still has a good reading. I had to shave this thing down. It sucked. But whatever. And I have no codes at all. What? See, no codes at all. There we go. That's it right there, man. My check engine lights went away. My check engine light, my 6 codes went away. Put the new battery in. Okay, just for everybody that doesn't know, if you ever want to test your alternator at all, take your power out while the car is on. If the car stays on, your alternator is good. If the car turns off, then it's bad. My problem was that I was driving back one time and my lights started to flicker, started acting real funny, and then my car shut off when I pulled up. The next day my car was fine, and then 2 days later it did it again. Then my car shut off completely. So if you ever see all these codes, don't throw away your car. You don't have to throw away your car, because remember, if you don't have enough electricity, you don't have enough spark, which means you don't have enough fuel, and that's what will give you which we'll call saying misfire in each cylinder, all the codes that I showed you before. You know, so as long as you can turn, if you can't turn on the car at all, then do what I did. I got my daily, hooked it up, and I put a ground wire. I put the the jumper cables on it. I turned on the car, and then what I did was I let the car run. The car was running perfectly fine. Once I disconnected the cables, it shut off. Right there, I was like, you know what? I know it's the alternator, and that's it. So just so you guys know, you get all those codes and everything else like that, don't be worried, man. It could just be your alternator. Paid $53 for that on eBay. Had to shave it down a little bit in the corners and stuff, but whatever, it fit. All right.